With you, I can be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up through the dreams where the skies are so clear. With you, I wanna stay with you. With you.
Hello, honey. Good morning, my loves. How are you doing? It's a beautiful Saturday morning. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. The sun is out, not so bright. It's not so chilly, it's not so hot. It's just that sweet spot temperature. So we have a few things planned today. I'll let you know in the video. If you've not subscribed, remember to hit that subscribe button. So chillax, sit down, relax, do the thing you do when you're watching my videos. Hopefully it's a nice interesting thing that you're doing when you're watching my videos. I like when you get your nails done, you're always doing like that evil pose, that evil villain pose where your hands are always being seen because people need to see how cute you are, how cute you are, and we're cute. So relax and enjoy this video. Today is Saturday. I just woke up. It's around 8:30 and oh Jesus. Yesterday I had errands to do. I was in town like the whole of yesterday, so naturally I'm so tired. That's why I hate leaving my house. I just come back so tired that I don't feel like doing anything for the next like 3 days. So guess what we did? Guess what we did? You see this? My girl go and do the thing. My girl go and do the. So these were done by Jerusha at Kai Plaza, fourth floor, Lash Nail Spa. So you can go check her out. And they came out so well. They're so beautiful. So the past couple of weeks I've been so productive, and I was like, oh Sarah, what should you do? What should you do for yourself? What should you do for yourself? You need a reward. And since I couldn't say, show me daddy, so the next best thing was to get our nails done. Um, so if you remember, oh, shit. If you remember, we did the thing with the milk. It's almost done. We've been drinking it. So you need to keep opening and closing once you shake it to prevent it from exploding on your face. So there's this friend of mine. He was an exchange student when I was in campus, so he's visiting. We hadn't seen each other for 9 years. I was like, "You're sure, Jake? It's 9 years? Really, 9 years? Why does it feel like just maybe 2 years give or take?" He was like, "No, it has been 9 years." So I went to see him at Westlands, and of course, after catching up, he took me to do some white man shit. So if you there's a place called Climb Blue Sky in Westlands, you can Google them. They do rock climbing, although it's in a building. So I'm looking at them and I'm like, why? He's like, you should try, and I'm like, yeah, I see the fun in it, but why? I have climbed hills like half my life when I was going to the farm, like when we were going to the farm, to plant, to weed, to to harvest. Like, why would I knowingly, Mimi, take myself back there? No, not happening. Not happening. Not happening. But if you want to go, ooh. So how do you like your maziwa lala, your buttermilk? Jake said it's nasty. I don't know. Do you agree? Do you agree that this milk is nasty? I need to finish that milk. Make us some. So we did some painting. Let me show you. Let me show you. One wall is done. Look at that. Look at that. Look how the name, my utensils are popping against that. So let me put you down. We still need to do this. This needs to be complete so that we can store things inside. But that's how we're looking. That's how we're looking. So when you go to this other wall, as you can see, it's not yet done. It needs one more coat of paint. And then this side of the wall, I'm leaving it. The side with the seat. The side with the sofa, I'm gonna leave it like that. And I know you're asking, Sarah, where are you cooking? For cooking, let's see if I can take you outside. I took everything out here. Kila kitu iko hapa nje. So I made a small kitchenette. Yeah, we made a small kitchenette outside because why not? Why not? Yeah, so that's it. Basically, from Monday, I'm going to be real busy. It's tax season and it ends 30th June. So I have this month and next month to finish a lot of taxes that I've not even started. And a lot, oh, Jesus. There's just a lot to be done. So today, the weather seems nice. I think I will go to Kamindi, get the brush, get the brackets, because I need brackets for this wall. This wall will have two shelves, one that is 7 feet and the top one that will be 9 feet. The down one will have my plates and my cups on display because that sheet is cute. The top one will have some, decor items and some, if I decide to like store some cereals in cute glass jars, because the glass jars can only go to the highest shelf. I'm clumsy. My cats are wild. We don't need breaking things. We don't need to buy things that we can break. So that will be reserved for the highest shelf, which they can't reach. And then the lower shelf will be, of course, my cups, my plates, because I have cute cups and I keep adding them up. So we need to display that shit. I was looking on how to make something to display my cups, and the one that I wanted would have taken the space on that wall. And on that wall, I want to make a DIY, like large. What is it called? Wall art. This is something cute but abstractish or subtle, something subtle but large. Yeah, because you should have some artworks in your kitchen to make it that shit pretty.
With you, I wanna stay with you. It's been so cold since you have been gone. Like I was told, you're the only one. I can't be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up to the clouds where the skies are so clear. With you, I wanna stay with you. I wanna stay with you. I wanna stay with you. With you, I can't be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up through the dreams where the skies are so clear. With you, I